Hello guys, dinner time. And tonight, as promised, we have tada, pansit. Yeah. We're eating already while we're waiting for what was that?
Bread.
Garlic bread. Yan. Ako, hindi na maghihintay kasi may pandesal ako. Frozen kasi yung garlic bread, kaya nako, mamaya pa yon. Well, malalamig yung pansit, kaya kain na. Habang naghihintay ng garlic bread. Ako, kontento na ako dito. Nako, carbs on carbs. Carbs on carbs. Akala ko kasya sa amin ang isang slab ng pansit bihon. Hindi pala. Para sa 4 na katao, kailangan 2 slab, which is kalahating kilo. Kasi ang 1 slab is 1/4 of a kilo. So, nagdagdag ako. Sabi sa lahat?
Yeah, okay.
I had it for my birthday. I had it on my birthday.
Ah, Lydia. Ay, okay.
And the shepherd's pie.
Yeah, that's right. Al dente yung yung noodles. Yung bihon. Sakto yung sukat na 50 ml ng tubig. Yun yung nakalagay sa pakete. Sabi sa instructions. Yeah, lagi ko yun tinatandaan. No more, no less. 500 ml sa every 1/4 of a kilo. Sa kada slab ng bihon. Sarap talaga ng pandesal sa pansit. Kaunti lang yung sahog na karne. Nilagyan ko na lang siya ng pork kasi ito. Nilagyan ko ng pork bouillon. Malasa na siya. Tapos yung veggies, frozen veggies yan. Carrots, cauliflower at saka broccoli. 2 maliit na pakete. Tapos hiniwa-hiwa ko. Kasi malalaki yung florets niya ng cauliflower and broccoli. So I chop them up. Parang sa lang sa karinderya. Dinadaan sa pampalasa. Pipid sa sahog. Like it? Is it nice? Good. Sama talaga ang pakiramdam ko. Itong sore throat ay naging na yata. Lumala na eh. Nawa. Mawala na siya. Bago maglinggo. Eh di bukas yun. Na bumuti na ako bukas para makasimba ako. Dapat ako'y kakanta sa simbahan sa linggo. Naka-schedule ako. Eh, sa sore throat nga. So sabi ko hindi ako makakaawit. Pero sana, at least makasimba ako. Mahirap yung uubo-ubo ka dun sa uuupuan mo. Pagtitingin na ng mga tao. Allergic na yata ang mga tao sa sa COVID. O sa ubo dahil sa COVID. Parang gusto ko pa ng isa pang another bread.
Garlic.
No. tama na yung isa. Medyo masusobrahan na tayo sa carbohydrates.
Can't look up.
What is really on my mind is rice. To go with this. It's yum. Kasi natatanggal ng rice yung...
Rice and noodles.
Mm.
Bloody too
It
much.
takes away the taste of
Noodle.
the noodles from your tongue. Like it cleanses the palate. So every bite is a fresh
So does
taste.
Guinness.
And black beer.
Mhm.
Guinness. Was that an Irish beer? Yeah?
Guinness probably is, yeah.
Mm.
English or Irish. Scottish. Over
Mm.
there. Over there.
Mm.
Hey Google, where was Stout and Guinness originated from?
Ireland. On the website
Ireland.
guinness-storehouse.com, they say, Ireland, with its rich brewing legacy, has had a long-standing love affair with its iconic stout, Guinness.
So it's from Ireland. There you go. Tapos na ako. Hindi pa
Mom said something to
hindi pa luto yung ano,
me.
garlic bread.
No, but I won't come at this.
Papakyan na lang yan mamaya.
It's coming out again.
Wonder why it's doing that. Sometimes it runs out too fast. I have to run for a tissue. It just drips like water. Oh, ito na. Ang mahiwagang garlic bread. Oh. Oh, it has...
Not ready yet.
Meron siyang butter and...
These go a little bit longer.
Huh? Why?
Butter's still frozen.
It's warm now. It's alright.
This is what I
Beautiful, baby. Thank you.
It's nice.
Mm.
Ang tagal na to sa freezer.
We should have took it out of the freezer before we
Ano?
started cooking it.
Lagi namin nalilimutan. Meron pala kami nito sa freezer.
No, it's frozen in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Not ready yet.
Yeah, put it in the microwave.
No, you put it in the big thing that was cooking in. You put it in that.
Mm.
Kapili ko lang.
What I got is good. Kasi sa dulo siya. Nainit siya. Yung gitna, hindi pa. Well, there you go. That's it for our dinner. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Sana bumuti-buti na ang aking pakaramdam. Bye, God bless.